To create something timeless, you must begin with absolute precision. Every line must honor the soul of the machine and the nature of the oak.
Every masterpiece begins with a single, precise cut. The master craftsman carefully reveals a legacy takes shape.
The grain must follow the air. Every line tells a story of precision. We're smoothing out the final edges. This is pure, raw craftsmanship. Every single line must be perfect. White oak requires patience to master, but the result is always worth it.
Woodworking at this level requires absolute precision. Every curve, every line tells a story of patience,